I've just finished the first 30 pages of the book called The Wealth of Nations by Adam Smith, and it really reminds me of the time when I still have to learn microeconomics and macroeconomics. So, Adam Smith, he is one of the most popular economists in the world, and in this book, the first book of the causes of improvement in the productive powers of labor, he explained about the division of labor, how the division of labor in has influenced in the economy, and also the origin and the use of money. So, talking about the division of labor, this concept means that uh, when, like before, we tend to, when it comes to a process of making something, we tend to let one person do all the steps in the process. However, when it comes to division of labor, we will divide it, that process into different steps, and in each steps, each person will do a specific step. So they will specialize in only one steps of the process. So this concept, the division of labor, has caused a greater increase in production than any other factor, because now each person will just need to focus on only one steps of the process, and then they will be more skillful, and they will increase the speed of them doing that steps. So this concept is also responsible for the universal opulence in many rich countries, and this can help to increase the economy of scale. So, how do the division of labor appear in the economy? So, this doesn't stem from some kind of wisdom of people or some kind of things like that, but it's just our instinct, our propensity to trade products and to barter products. Um, so when it comes to the area where the division of labor start to come first, so Adam Smith think that uh, because water carriage, except for example transportation, when we transport the products by water, uh, this can help to decrease the cost, and the division of labor with its improvements comes earliest to cities near waterways. As you can see, if we travel or if we transport something by cars or carriage inland transportation, it will cost us more, and it takes many more time to transport rather than the water carriage. So, with this division of labor, people becomes to realize that they need a common medium of exchange. Before the division of labor, we tend to exchange by products. For example, if I have more meat, I produced more meat, um, and there's a surplus amount, so I will use that amount to exchange for other products such as bread or salt or water, something like that. But when it comes to a common medium of exchange, so all nations finally decided to use metals, because metals are durable, and also divisible for the purpose of exchange things. Um, However, we also encounter a problem, is that metal is not easy to weight and assay with each exchange. So we began to think that we should stamp the metal to ensure to ascertain the purity and the amount of metal needed to be the common medium of exchange. So that is the origin of the coin that we used, and after that, the coins has become the medium, like the common medium of exchange.